a spoonie, that's a spoonie.
He was a spoonie.
Alright, so today I've got an actual duck hunt for you guys in this vid. This will be at a refuge in the Central Valley. The hunters for this trip will be myself, Sam, and Nick. And the dogs will be Mina, of course. This will be her first actual duck hunt. And the other dog will be Ripp, who is Mina's dad. So you can tell them apart. Ripp is going to be the black and white with the orange collar. Mina's wearing a purple collar. Other than that, in the video, they're probably going to look pretty similar. We do end up using a lot of colorful duck hunter language in this video. I am not going to take the time to edit it out. So if that's an issue for you, you've been warned. Other than that, let's get into the vid.
Right there. I didn't have a really good shot on one. right in, straight in. Shot, Sam. Get him, Ripp, get him. Here they come. Steve. Welcome, Steve. Nice. Get him, Ripp, get him.
There, he's not.
Ripp.
Mina, get the dead bird.
I got him. Get him, Ripp, get him.
Straight ahead, straight ahead.
Nobody has a finishing tool? Right here, Yep, straight in. Oh, I dropped one way out there. Where the hell did this duck just go?
He went out there with
No, the duck I just had right here, I set it down. It's still alive.
Oh.
No. Did I just fucking lose that duck? No. Fuck no. She's right here somewhere, bro. I literally just set her down to shoot that. You gotta fucking kill that thing. I fucking wrung her neck 3 times. Then I set her down to shoot real quick.
No way.
Good girl, Mina.
Good girl.
Good job, Mina. Dude, am I fucking tripping right now? Let's go, Ripp. Find that bird.
What a good dog.
She was fucking barking at him.
Mina, pick it up.
Right here on the fucking. Find him.
Mina, get it. Pick it up. Mina, she let it go. Mina. It's going over here.
Set it right here, dude. Fucking shot. Fucking 2 shots.
It's swimming away. It's swimming away. God damn it. Mina. Get that bird. Mina. Dead bird. Get it. Get it, Ripp. Get it. Get it, Rip. Good boy. Good boy. Bring it here. Good boy. Good boy. All right.
If your dogs find it, I will buy them fucking whatever treat you give them. They eat duck bread.
Yeah.
They got it. Single pintail up ahead. Good girl, Mina! No way. I shit you not, dude. She has it in her mouth. Dude.
Got him. Yeah.
That was awesome, dude. I love them still cooking like that.
Good boy. Yeah, Drake green wing.
Ready? Take them. Somebody dropped, that's a sprig, man.
Oh, come on, man. Here we go, here we go.
Nice fucking shot, dude. Get him, Ripp.
Get him.
Nice shot, Steve. Ripp, here.
Come on. Hey, Mina, let go. Mina. Oh, he gave it. He let her take it. Wow. Mina, bring it here.
Ripp, go up.
So I'm pretty sure we both hit this one here.
Yeah. That's pretty good. A female spoon, yeah.
Yep. Bring it here, Mina. Good dog. Drop it. Drop it.
There she is.
Good girl. What a good dog.
Dude.
Mina,
Ow.
drop it.
Oh.
Drop it.
Oh, dude, I thought this was a blonde fucking... It almost fucking looked blonde for a second.
Yeah. Man, you are finding them today, girl. They're stupid as shit, too.
Yeah, and ready to.
Buffleheads are really fucking dumb.
Yeah, bufflehead and ready duck are stupid. That must be an up to your thing, because I never shot a freaking bufflehead and oyster. No, I shot that shit in.
Yeah, there's a lot up there.
Oh, right here. It's a teal. Dump him. That's a spoonie,
He was a spoonie. I nailed his ass.
I was waiting for you to miss so I could shoot him. Nope. No.
We need to get you some birds.
Fuck no, dude.
Good job, Rip. Mina.
Here. Oh, that's a nice streak too, dude.
Yeah, Mina, no. Mina. Don't be a little bitch.
Good boy, Rip. Here.
Good boy.
Rip, here.
No. No.
Let me see that. Oh, he's still fucking alive.
Yeah.
Dude, that's a nice fucking
Mina, stop
drake, dude. That is a nice fucking drake. Hell yeah.
Got the little thing to stab him.
I don't. That's why I was. What do you need?
Oh, I was wondering if I put him out of his misery and stab him with a little finisher.
You just bite him in the back of the neck.
No, you gotta bite him in the top of the skull.
All right, chunky monkey. Okay. What are you doing, Rip? You got an itch?
Yeah, he loves it.
Good shooting.
The old call and kill?
Haha.
Hey, dude.
That's why I love frickin' spoonies, is they frickin' respond good to calls.
Good boy.
Oh, Mina, are you honoring it this time? Yeah. Instead of going out there and trying to take it?
Let old man have few.
Dude, I'll probably never use BB again the way you guys are fucking shooting. God damn.
Right here, two to the right, coming in. Ah, they're flaring. It's all Rip.
Come on, Rip, hurry up. Oh, here we come.
Right at us. Smoke him. I got that fucker. Get another one. Get him, Rip. Get him, Rip.
Right here.
Yep. Dumped him.
Fuck you guys, dude. I'm trying my absolute hardest. Dump! He's a believer! Shotguns for sale! Shotgun for
Get him, Rip.
I'm getting that motherfucker, dude.
What'd you shoot?
What's that?
What did he shoot?
I think it's just a spoon, but...
No, I mean the gun.
That's the Affinity 3.0.
Oh, okay, yeah. I love this gun.
Fuck yeah. I'm getting it, dude.
Alright, comment down below on what you thought of this vid. Duck hunting is something I'd like to do more of moving forward in future seasons. This is something that I'm not super experienced at, and I will admit that I'm not that great at it yet. You know, looking back on this day, a couple of mistakes were made. I think we need to hide better, and me and Sam need to not drop shells in the water and lose them, so that we have less than 25 shells. Yeah, I'm pretty sure both of us dropped shells in the water. But other than that, it was a pretty good day. Enjoyed it, and I hope to get out and do it again.
Mina, they don't like you.